I think the most important thing that members are going to learn in this latest class is A, how to get it right in camera, the exposure triangle, your aperture, your shutter speed, and your ISO. Because by changing one of these, you have to change the other. And if you know how to adjust those settings, you'll be able to convey the image that's in your mind, into your camera and onto a print. Then B, about the mood, because the mood is the most important thing in the scene. Also in this class, I'm going to talk about controlling the light with constant lights, with speed lights, with handheld LED lights, and even with painting with light with a little flashlight. It's not just about taking pictures, it's about making pictures, which is a ton of fun. Then we're going to talk about enhancing our images. This was the best exposure that I can get, but I said, okay, what is this picture lacking? Just by making those adjustments, I was able to turn a snapshot into one of my favorite pictures that I've ever taken in Africa. This class is going to have a ton of technical information. We're going to cover white balance, exposure compensation, metering, the histogram, the RGB versus sRGB. You're going to take all this information, you're going to go out there and shoot. You're going to try to create a special mood, but you also want to have fun, because you know what, my friends? If you're not having fun, you're doing something wrong.